Hello students, I'm going to discuss static electricity. In this chapter, we'll discuss the effect of electricity which occurs by static charges. So first, you all should know what is static electricity. Static electricity has another name, electrostatics. इस चैप्टर स्टैटिक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में हम डिस्कस करेंगे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के इफेक्ट जो किसी स्टैटिक चार्जेस की वजह से होते हैं और स्टैटिक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का एक दूसरा नाम है जिसे हम कहते हैं इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक। तो स्टैटिक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का मतलब क्या है? व्हाट इज स्टैटिक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी? सो इलेक्ट्रो मींस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, electro means electrons, means charges, and static means at rest. At rest we can say static or stationary we can say. So electrostatic means charges at rest. So in this chapter we will discuss the effect of charges which occurs at rest state. Charges are at rest and they will show their effects. So we will study these effects in this chapter, static electricity. As you know, in atoms, all atoms consist of three charges: electrons, protons, and neutrons. Atoms are made of charged particles as electrons, protons, and neutrons. Electrons revolves around the nucleus in the orbit of the atom and have negative charges. And you know these electrons, negative charges which have negative charges, so these electrons revolve around the nucleus. Proton bound in the nucleus of the atom and have a positive charge, and proton and neutron are in nucleus. In atom there is a nucleus center of atom where protons and neutrons are combined together and they are form a nucleus. So proton make a pair with neutrons and both are in nucleus. So atom, proton and neutron are together in nucleus and electrons revolves around a nucleus. This is a basic structure of atom. Most objects have no overall charges and are neutral. And you know electron have negative charges and proton have positive charges. So number of protons and electrons are same. So both effect of charges of proton neutron become neutral. If any atom has 6, for example, in this figure you can see if this atom has 6 protons, so this atom consists of 6 electrons. So both charges will be same, 6 positive, 6 negative, so it becomes neutral. Uncharged object becomes charged by gaining or losing electrons. If any object which is uncharged, it can become charged when it receives electrons or losing electrons. After losing electrons, atom has more protons and has an overall positive charges. When any atom which loses electrons, so positive charges will be greater after losing the electrons, so it becomes positive charges. After gaining electrons, atom has an overall negative charges. When any atom receives more electron, so excess of electron, it becomes negative charges. The build of charges is called static electricity. This movement of charges after moving of these static charges, it is called static electricity. That's why it is called static electricity, because charges will be transferred, and after transfer Object behave positively or negatively. Object behave like positive or negative. Static electricity is the situation where electric charges build up on the surface of a material. So static electricity is the situation where electric charges build up on the surface of a material. Any material surface shows behavior of electric charges, either positive or negative. It is called static because there is no current flowing as in AC or DC. So static behavior of charges shows an effect of current, but this current is stationary. It is not moving like AC or DC. So static electricity is usually caused when materials are rubbed together, and this behavior of charges may be formed by rubbing two objects together. When we rub two objects together, so charges will transfer from one object to another, and we will discuss in detail. First, the result is that objects may be attracted to each other or may even cause a spark to jump from one object to the other. When we combine two charged objects, so they become fused, charges will rapidly join together, so it cause a spark. Thank you very much.